What's your name? Gia. Let's go. Say hi.
Say hi.
Hi. This is Gia's first airplane ride. Good luck, Gio and Daddy and Mommy.
I need you to fly me away. 7 different ways of fighting off the storm we've been sleeping on. Yeah, digging up the ground, trying to find what's wrong. Plant a seed, burn it down, make it freeze. Drown it, then we shock it till we bring it to its knees. Heaven blowing on my dice, for a prize. Feel the breeze, hear it roaring like a night. Running, climbing, swimming, gliding, maybe I'm alright. I'd rather be dreaming, floating while sleeping, to islands in the sky. I need you to fly me away.
Hi! Say hi to the camera! Say hi to the camera! What's your name? Gia. I love you! Ayan mga kababayan. Where's the camera of Gio? Hi!
And when I'm lying in bed, the voice in my head keeps asking about my life, full of questions I couldn't answer if I tried. Floating while sleeping, to islands in the sky.
Happy face! Happy face! Happy face!
Away, please fly me away. Won't you just fly me away tonight?
Are you having fun? Okay. That's what's important, okay? Yay! Wow! May welcome party ka pa. Smile, kuya! Hello! Hi! Hello! Hello, kuya! Welcome to my vlog! Let's go! Yeah, let's go!